Yiridumarang, Yuundu Yanada Heiss. My name's Anita Heiss, and I just said hello in the Wiradjuri language. I'm here as part of NAIDOC Week activities for the Catholic Education Office, and I'm working with a fantastic group of young Aboriginal girls from around the region of Townsville and beyond.
She's been really great mentoring us today. It's been an exciting experience to learn from such a wise person. So
obviously this year's theme is Because of Her We Can, and it's an opportunity in NAIDOC Week and the weeks around NAIDOC Week to take some time out to celebrate, to acknowledge the women who have pioneered many roles in many areas in society. So for me and the activities I'll be doing throughout NAIDOC Week, and the reason I'm here is to hopefully inspire other young Aboriginal women to have resilience and to have strength and have pride in their own stories and in their own capacity to tell a story and make a difference within their own families and communities. So,
my name's Joe Williams. I'm a Wiradjuri man from New South Wales, former sports person, a mental health advocate, and now an author. So for me today, it's about coming up and sharing my story and my experience, I guess, around writing and taking the kids through some writing experience and workshops. And
I came to this event for just some experience in writing and also learning about my culture and what it means to be Aboriginal.
And it's really helping our writing skills, creative writing, and yeah, this is definitely useful for the outside world.
We've got kids who want to be politicians, we've got kids who want to be authors, we've kids who want to be newsreaders and directors of film, not just our sport. So it's proving that our people can be anything they want to be. And
we're doing a story about how we respect the women in our lives that are important to us, how we respect them, why it is important to respect them, and the reason why they deserve to be respected.
And if I can share a little bit of that experience then to helping the next generation or next kid achieve their dreams, then I'm only too happy to do so.